Welcome to Summit Metals. Got gold, got silver, got a drawer full of eagles, clicking louder than a Vegas slot machine? Today I'll show you how to turn those coins into cash, safely, easily, and totally insured by selling straight to Summit Metals. Where do you begin? Step 0. You send us an email at sales@summitmetals.com, which you can view right here. Tell us what type of metal you intend to sell to us. Gold, silver, both. Name the type of coin or bar, such as an American Silver Eagle. Specify the year if it has one, and give the quantity of each of those items that you're specifying within your email. Now let me show you how it works. Let me pull up my phone and draft up this email and you can see a sample. Hi Summit Metals. I have 50 backdate Silver Eagles and 3 current year gold buffaloes. Boom. Send. Within a few hours, we reply with today's quote. You'll have 2 hours to lock it in. So keep an eye out on your inbox faster than you watch spot price swings. So you've decided to lock in your quote. We'll send you a prepaid label that is fully insured through USPS or FedEx depending on the value of your items. The cost comes out of the final quote that you're given. We highly recommend that you do not buy your own labels because these two vendors typically do not insure bullion, regardless if they say they do. Now there are 3 golden rules that you must follow. Rule number 1, ensure that there is no rattling. Coins in a tube, tape the cap on top and make sure it's stuffed so it does not make noise. Any loose coins should be put in a coin flip or just put in a plastic bag and paper and protected so that they don't scratch each other. One item that we can recommend to you to use that is typically found in the household is actually paper towel. Paper towel is very good at isolating the noises that come from rattling coins. Golden rule number 2, double boxing is very important. Now this hand model is now going to demonstrate how to pack the items inside a double box. That's all you have to do. And now look, she's shaking the box and it's making no noise. That is exactly how it should be sent to us. Make sure that you do not specify anywhere on the box or to the individuals that you hand it over to that there's precious metals in there. Simply say that you're sending pet rocks to your friend. So now that you've packed your box and you're now sending it to USPS or FedEx, the next rule is to provide the box and receive a receipt from them. Do not leave USPS without receiving a receipt that you've given it to them. The same goes with FedEx. Please do not drop it off at a random station. Drop it off at an actual FedEx facility and get a receipt that you've delivered it to them. This helps protect the insurance claim in an event that something were to happen. Now we've received your package. Our team will unbox it and verify the weight, the purity, and match the quantities that are on file from our purchase order to you. You will then get an ACH or check or bank wire within 24 hours of the delivery during business hours. So to recap, all our labels will be fully insured. All boxes should arrive double boxed to us. You should ensure that there's no rattling within the boxes, and we will ensure to do a fast payout. Follow the packing rules and your metals are going to be safe. Now, are you ready to turn in your coins into cash without regrets? Email sales@summitmetals.com and hit that link below. Like, subscribe, and comment below. We'll answer all the questions that you might have. And remember, happy stacking!